Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to share your Notion calendar. Sharing your Notion calendar can significantly enhance your ability to collaborate and stay organized, whether you're working with a team, planning family events, or coordinating activities with friends. Imagine having all your events synchronized in one place, with everyone involved being on the same page. This tutorial will guide you through the process of inviting others to view and interact with your Notion calendar, ensuring everyone stays informed and no event is overlooked. Let's dive right in. To begin, open up your Notion workspace and navigate to your calendar. If you're familiar with Notion, this should be quite straightforward. Once your calendar is displayed, direct your attention to the right-hand pane. Here, you'll find a host of features designed to make sharing seamless. Look for the option that allows you to invite a friend or a teammate. Click on this option to proceed. Notion has streamlined the sharing process to be as user-friendly as possible. When you click Invite, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you wish to share your calendar with. Type in the email address carefully. You can invite an individual, or if you're coordinating a larger project or event, you can add multiple email addresses simultaneously. This step is crucial because inviting someone directly grants them access to your live calendar, not just a static version. This means they can view real-time updates, contribute changes if permitted, and add their own inputs. For instance, if you're managing a team project or coordinating a family event, sharing your calendar ensures everyone is aligned and reduces the need for endless back-and-forth communications. Now, let's talk about managing events within your calendar. One of the standout features of Notion Calendar is its flexibility in organizing event details. To create a new event, simply click the plus icon or the Create Event button. You'll then be able to fill in all the important details, such as the date, time, and location of the event. Here's where it gets interactive. In the event options, there's a specific field labeled Participants. This is where you can add anyone who should be kept in the loop about a particular event. Type in their name or email, and if they're already invited to the calendar, Notion will help you locate them easily. Otherwise, you can add a new participant directly. Adding participants is incredibly advantageous for events like meetings or parties where only certain individuals need to be informed. By assigning participants, you ensure only the relevant people receive notifications, keeping the calendar tidy and avoiding unnecessary information overload for others. At this point, Notion may take a moment to process the new invitations, especially if you're adding multiple people or if your internet connection is slow. Be patient, and if someone mentions they didn't receive the invite, double-check their email address for any possible typos. It's a simple yet common mistake. The real beauty of a shared Notion calendar is the ability to keep everyone updated with the most current information. No more outdated schedules or missed appointments. By sharing your calendar, you're empowering your group with the tools for effective real-time collaboration and organization. To recap, you can invite teammates or friends by accessing the right-hand pane and add participants directly to events to ensure everyone is informed about what's happening and when. Following these steps will enhance your team's efficiency and keep your plans on track. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to share your Notion calendar. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe so you never miss an update.